Welcome, future AI innovators. Today, we're diving deep into two fundamental Python data structures that are absolutely critical for building robust and efficient AI systems: dictionaries and sets. Think of AI systems like a sophisticated restaurant kitchen. While lists and tuples are your basic ingredients, dictionaries and sets are your advanced recipe books and inventory systems, ensuring everything is organized and pristine. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand what these structures are, but why they are indispensable in artificial intelligence. We'll start by understanding dictionaries, which are truly the smart storage systems of AI, allowing us to manage complex configurations with ease. Then we'll move on to exploring sets, the duplicate destroyers, vital for cleaning and optimizing your datasets, preventing wasted resources and biased models. Next, we'll see the real magic happen as we discover the AI power combo, learning how to combine both structures for practical, real-world applications like user personalization and recommendation engines. We'll then put theory into practice by building our own AI data manager, a hands-on example that showcases how these concepts translate into actual code. Finally, we'll connect these concepts to real-world AI connections, showing you exactly where you'll encounter and use dictionaries and sets in production AI systems, and provide you with next steps for continued learning. Get ready to strengthen your AI data foundation. Let's kick things off with dictionaries, often called hash maps or associative arrays in other languages. At their core, dictionaries store data in key-value pairs, which is how AI systems organize and retrieve information. Imagine a recipe book where each recipe has a unique name. That's your key, and all the ingredients and instructions are the value. It's incredibly intuitive and efficient. For junior developers, understanding the structure is paramount because dictionaries are essential for AI model configurations and handling API responses. When you interact with powerful AI services like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, the settings you send, like temperature for creativity or maximum tokens for response length, are all bundled in a dictionary. Similarly, the structured data you receive back from these services, also often in a dictionary format, ready for you to parse. The real beauty of dictionaries lies in their ability to enable instant lookup. Unlike lists, where you might have to scan item by item to find what you need, with a dictionary, you jumped directly to the value using its unique key. This speed is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. In AI, where systems might be processing thousands of requests per second, even a millisecond saved per lookup adds up dramatically. This efficiency ensures your AI applications remain responsive and scalable, a critical factor for any production-level system. So, mastering dictionaries means mastering efficient data retrieval in the world of AI. Now let's talk about sets, the unsung heroes of data cleanliness, especially in AI. Sets are fundamentally unordered collections of unique elements. The primary superpower is to automatically eliminate duplicates from datasets. Think about it. In AI, you're constantly dealing with vast amounts of raw data. User feedback logs, sensor readings, text corpora. They're all prone to having redundant entries. Manually sifting through millions of records to find and remove duplicates is not just tedious, it's practically impossible. Sets do this instantly and efficiently. Beyond a duplication, sets also provide lightning-fast membership testing. This means checking if a particular item exists within a set is incredibly quick, regardless of how large the set is. Compare this to checking an item in a list, which can become painstakingly slow as the list grows. In AI, this speed is invaluable when you need to quickly verify the presence of specific features, categories, or keywords within massive datasets. This makes sets crucial for cleaning raw training data for AI models. Imagine training a language model with a dataset where the same sentence appears 1,000 times. Not only does this waste computational resources, but it can also lead to your model overfitting on that specific sentence, making it less robust and generalizable. By using sets, you ensure your model sees a diverse and unique set of examples, leading to better learning outcomes. Ultimately, leveraging sets prevents skewed models that might be biased by repeated data and wasted computational resources during training. It's a simple yet powerful tool for optimizing your AI pipelines. This is where the real magic happens. combining dictionaries and sets to tackle complex real-world AI challenges. Individually, they're powerful, but together they form the AI power combo, enabling sophisticated data management. Imagine needing to process user data for AI personalization. You might use a dictionary where each key is a user ID and the value is a set of their unique interests. This instantly deduplicates interests and allows for quick retrieval. A perfect example is user personalization and recommendation engines. Think of Netflix suggesting your next show or Amazon recommending products. These systems often rely on dictionaries to store user profiles and their preferences, and sets to efficiently find common interests between users or to identify unique topics. This allows for highly targeted content and product suggestions, making the AI experience much more engaging. To illustrate this practically, we can build an AI Data Manager class. This class effectively uses dictionaries to store various AI model configurations, like the temperature setting for a chatbot or a creative writer model, while simultaneously leveraging sets to process and clean raw training data, ensuring that customer queries or product reviews are deduplicated before being fed into an AI model. This AI Data Manager isn't just a theoretical exercise, it demonstrates real-world AI development patterns you'll encounter constantly, from configuring API requests with JSON payloads, which are essentially dictionaries, to pre-processing massive datasets before model training. These combined structures are at the heart of efficient and scalable AI engineering. Understanding this synergy will give you a significant edge in your AI development journey. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're now convinced of the immense value that dictionaries and sets bring to AI development. To recap, dictionaries and sets are not just arbitrary Python structures. They are fundamental for efficient AI data handling. Dictionaries provide structured storage for key value pairs, making them indispensable for managing everything from model parameters to complex API responses. Sets, on the other hand, are your go-to for ensuring data quality by swiftly eliminating duplicates and enabling rapid membership checks. Together, they are key for configuration management, allowing you to define and retrieve AI model settings with precision, and for data pre-processing, where cleaning and optimizing datasets is paramount before training any model. We've also seen how these structures drive user personalization and recommendation engines, and are crucial for API response handling, letting your AI applications intelligently interpret data from external services. To truly solidify your understanding, I encourage you to strongly explore the GitHub repo linked in the original lesson text. It contains the AI Data Manager example and provides a practical playground for hands-on practice. Think about this. How might you use a combination of dictionaries and sets to build a simple moderation system that flags unique problematic keywords found in user-generated text? The possibilities are endless once you master these core data structures. Keep building, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.